what is a Plasmodium vivax? So Plasmodium, they cause the disorder is malaria. They cause the disorder is malaria. Okay, so what is a Plasmodium vivax parasite? So it is a digenetic parasite. It is a digenetic parasite. And it is a very harmful parasite to the human. Very harmful parasite. Harmful parasite. So what is a digenetic parasite means? So its life cycle completes in 2 hosts. So that is the digenetic parasite. And intracellular parasite. Intracellular parasite. Okay, so first one, this is a digenetic parasite, and second one, this is a very harmful parasite, and third one, intracellular parasite. Okay, so it is completes its life cycle in 2 hosts. So one is completes life cycle in 2 hosts. So one is female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so this is the one host, and second one is human. Second host is human, and it's also having reservoir host. Reservoir host is monkey. Reservoir host is monkey. So the Plasmodium vivax, it is the harmful parasite. It is the digenetic parasite. So it is present in 2 hosts. So one is the female Anopheles mosquito, and second one is the human, and reservoir host is monkey. So that is the Plasmodium vivax. And next one, so its infective stage is, the Plasmodium vivax infective stage is sickle shaped structure. Sickle shaped structure. Sickle shaped structure. It is infected by sickle shaped structure. But infection mode is inoculation. Infection mode is inoculation. So infected by the Plasmodium vivax parasite is infected by the sickle shaped structure. So its infection mode is inoculation. So inoculation means biting. Inoculation means biting. The Plasmodium contains mainly 4 types of species. The Plasmodium parasite contains 4 types of species. So first one, Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium children, 4 types of species of Plasmodium vivax. So first one is the Plasmodium vivax. It is the benign tertian malaria. So Plasmodium cause the disorder is tertian malaria. And next, Plasmodium falciparum. Second one is Plasmodium falciparum. So it cause the disorder is malignant tertian malaria. And third one is Plasmodium ovale. It cause the disorder is and mild tertian malaria. And fourth one is Plasmodium malariae. So this is the quartan malaria. So these are the mainly 4 types of species of Plasmodium vivax. History of malaria. history of malaria. So first of all, malaria. What is meant by malaria? Mala means bad. Area means air. Bad air. It means bad air. It is also called the fall air. History of malaria. Mala means bad and area means air. So malaria means bad air or fall air. Okay.